Hey everyone, and welcome back to All Things Unrelated. Alright, so let's take an honest look at these Garmont NFS Coyote Tan Army Boot. They are expensive, but was it worth it? Here we go. So a quick background is that I wore standard issued Army boots for the last 14 years of my career. I just like them because they're cheaper, they have a thick sole which is pretty good for rucking, and they just last really long and are durable. The only drawbacks I think is that they are a much heavier boot compared to some of these commercial brands, and they are certainly a little bit more rigid. I decided though, after 14 years of service, to finally treat myself and to see what all the hype is about these commercial boots. So up front, I love them. I now understand exactly what people were talking about and how comfortable these boots can be. They literally feel like a sneaker versus a stiff army boot. I also really like the looks of them. Some of the other boots and brands out there, I just don't like how they laid out their stitching patterns or what the boot looks like or how they try to brand them. Probably the most important thing here, the difference in weight is extremely significant between the old boots and these boots. The only things to kind of complain about is that the laces are super long, nothing too big, you can't get over. And then just the price tag. You can see I paid a pretty decent amount for these boots. 18 plus miles of ruck marching, normal everyday wear and tear for about a month. They are much easier to ruck in. I did a 6.5 miler and then I did a 12 miler and they felt pretty good. I definitely could not have done that with any other kind of standard issue boot. I would have to break them in. I did get some hot spots, but nothing significant in terms of blistering or bleeding. So that's a huge plus. Also, them just being lighter and more comfortable just made the whole ruck march experience much more enjoyable instead of actually trying to fight walking with the old boots. So now some of the honest negatives. They just showed their wear and tear very quickly, which is a little disappointing. I actually got a dent somehow in the toe, and then the Coyote Tan starts to rub off. I tried to clean them up, but I was not able to bring back that full Coyote Tan color. But overall, I really do like the boots, the fit, the functionality, the style. Again, my only problem is how worn they looked after a short period of use. However, that does not stop me from recommending these boots. Maybe it's worth getting a second pair. So you have your field pair, and then you have your garrison pair. And that's if you can afford them. So that's my review. Hope that helped. Thanks a lot for staying tuned. Help my channel out, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget, be different.